You make chow with 5 mangoes, 10 people. How many people get in a mango seed?
Mango seed.
1, Kezzianne.
Yeah, that's actually
That's
right.
making sense? Okay. Math solved. You're welcome.
You are good. You are good.
I'm saying. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Foodie Nation. Today is for our fruit lovers. We'll learn all about mango chow. So let's get mixing. 'Tis the season for mangoes.
Yes.
So of course we had to make a little mango chow using my favorite type of mango, which is Julie mango. That's the best mango. Do not come for me in the comments. You can have your opinion, that's fine.
Yes.
But it's mine. What's your favorite?
I don't have a favorite. I don't discriminate. All mango is good
Equal.
for me. Yeah. It is
Peace
my
and love.
favorite fruit.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Above
nice.
everything else, mango.
Okay.
favorite.
So
And
this
I
is for you.
Love mango chow.
Well, take it away.
I like
my
chow
friend.
in general.
But mango chow.
But mango chow, yeah,
Okay.
that's the king.
Fair enough. Well, take me through our mango chow experience.
All right, so I've started here. So I have a half ripe and then I have a ripe. Now I mix mine with a little ripe mango because
Okay.
what has happened is when you mix it, it gets a little sweet.
Right.
It puts a little sweet to it, and then it also kind of breaks down in the sauce when you add all the seasonings and salt and
Right.
stuff, and you just get a little sauce at the end.
So this is kind of like for texture and taste.
Yes, and more importantly, the seed. You know, when you make mango chow, let's have a fight for the seed,
Must.
right?
Must.
When that sauce in the bottom of the bowl and you have your seed, after you eat out everything,
Is it dip?
is yes.
Is it dip?
You know the
Is it
saying,
dip?
you know it,
This
you
is
know it, you
making
know it.
sense. I like this recipe already.
All right, so I'm going to start with peeling this mango.
And this is another half ripe one?
It is.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
very nice color. And you can start putting in
Certainly.
some stuff there for me.
So are we starting with what? Because I see another favorite of mine sitting in front here. Guys, so we would have most recently made some delicious mango pepper sauce. You could check the description for the link to that recipe. It was so tasty, and of course we had to put mango with mango. So we're using some of that pepper sauce in here. But before that, we're jumping in with the greens.
Yes, that is just some shadow benny, finely chopped, fresh.
And Danya. You can't have chow without it. You can't. It's not chow if you don't have it. Am I putting on? You tell me. No?
That's good for now.
Okay.
We will, you know, we have to taste and go.
Okay.
Because some people don't like the flavor, they like a lot of the flavor. And you know, I always encourage people to make things their own.
Of
Make it the way
course.
that you like it.
Of course, and you
You
have
know?
to apply what you like to tell me. Balance.
Yes,
All the flavors have to meld and be
Yes.
happy together.
for sure.
And we have here some garlic.
Yes, that's some grated garlic. Grate
So
on the
again.
small side of the grater.
How you feel?
But
Oh,
yeah.
all
I
inside.
like the garlic.
So,
So let's share this bowl.
so we
I can put this
chinks in
here.
with the bandana, but we're going all in with the garlic.
Yes, and that's preference.
True.
That's just preference. You know,
And
it
I'm
could go the
taking
other
your
way
guidance.
around. Yeah. So let me ask you this: are you good in math?
I am.
Okay, good.
I hope.
I have a what you just call it in school? A problem.
Oh, jeez. Hit me with the problem.
All right. So you make chow with 5 mangoes, right? But 10 people have to eat the chow. How much people get in a mango seed?
You make chow with 5 mangoes, 10 people. How many people get in a mango
A
seed?
mango seed.
1, Kezzianne.
Yeah, that's actually
That's not making sense? Okay. Math solved. You're welcome.
You are good. You are good.
I'm saying.
Okay, right. So we cut this up.
And we
Mix,
just
mix,
start
mix.
mixing to get our garlic all over the place, our shadow benny all over the place.
And then we're going to come in with some salt. Right, and a little black pepper.
Bear in mind, my friends, this mango chow has 2 seeds. One for Kezzianne, one for Arlene.
So we don't want to fight here today.
Yeah, we share it. We sharing over here. Sharing is caring.
But if it had more,
I mean,
if it had more people,
I mean,
we'd have a problem.
we can't count for them.
All right, so now we're going to add our pepper sauce.
Sure.
And this measurement is all up to you. How hot you want it. You will notice the level of heat that your pepper sauce carrying.
Some people don't even like pepper in their chow. They're good with just the black pepper, not the pepper sauce or the hot pepper. But I'm not one of those people.
Those people are cowards.
No,
Yes,
gosh, you
a
can't
chow
say
need
that.
a chow need a little thing, self.
I want to
Fool me,
hear
Mama
from
Guy,
my,
man.
I want to hear from my friends at home. So, what we for? We for pepper and chow, or we not for pepper? Because we are for pepper.
Yes.
But you guys let us know in the comments.
And we are for extra pepper.
Double
So,
dose.
what I like to do with this is just not the seed, just a little piece. That's it.
And give it a little fold in. And that is it.
Yeah. So we want to let this sit. So if you know you're going out by the mango tree and lime or whatever, because that's what we used to do. We used to stone down all the mango. When they fall, everybody have to go to their house and somebody have to bring salt and somebody have to take, and then your mother used to quarrel, see all the salt you're carrying out of my house?
And you know, I'm not returning with it.
No, because it fall down. We're not watching what we're doing, what we use, or you leave it by the road and rain fall and wash away all the salt. So,
Your poor mommy.
so you make it and you set it down for a little bit.
Okay.
And then you enjoy.
All right. So,
Quick and simple.
I mean, I would like to skip the setting down part
We can
and
skip
go
it.
for the enjoy, you know. Now, I want to go for a half ripe piece because that's how I enjoy my mangoes.
I will steal this spoon.
You could borrow my spoon, you know. You go with the pepper spoon?
I like it hot. I will go with the half right.
I do get that bit of sweetness that's coming in from the ripe mangoes. Of course, you get that nice heat from a pepper sauce and a little from the hot pepper. I imagine when we let this sit down for a little bit,
Yeah.
it'll be even better.
Everything will soak in and you'll get that sauce at the bottom that I tell you about from the ripe.
That's if we could let it sit.
I don't know if we could let it.
Fingers crossed, guys.
Yeah. This is
For
a good
mango
job.
season, definitely. You guys need to try this recipe. Use your favorite kind of mango. For us, it's Julie, but whatever you like, feel free. And of course, let us know. Until next time, we're gonna head in for our 2 mango seeds. Bye-bye, guys.